The Nemocon salt mine, located 70 kilometers away from Bogota, has an extension of 30 hectares. This mine is divided in 3 levels. The last one of them is located 60 meters below the surface, compared to the top of the mountain. In the old days, the exploitation and saturation processes were done by the traditional mining with the drilling of the surface with the manual pneumatic hammers of 18 kilograms, with the explosions provoked inside the resulting holes to free the salt rock. Today, the production is done by the dissolution process in situ. The turned-off salt rock is transported in wagons that are pushed by the mine workers. Then, it is dissolved in saturation tanks to which sweet water is added to produce brine. This brine is stored in a big production tank and delivered by a brine truck to the refining plant located 25 kilometers away. 2,400 cubic meters of brine are delivered daily. The same as the brine that comes from Zipaquirá, the one that comes from Nemocon is submitted to the evaporation process to void that will form products such as salt for human consumption, sodium hypochlorite, and chlorine. The salt exploitation in Zipaquirá and Nemocon share the process of in situ dissolution that is based on the injection of sweet water and brine of low concentration at pressure to dissolve soluble materials, in this case the salt. This method is developed by injecting water by means of a piping inserted between 80 and 100 meters of depth, and its objective is to evacuate the reserves that are below the last level of mining exploitation. Once the brine is dissolved from the salt rock, because of the dissolution process in situ, this one is evacuated by the pressure difference and stored in the big production tank and then pumped to the refining plant. The brine produced by dissolution in the surface or by in situ dissolution, stored in the production tank, it's delivered to the refining plant passing through electromagnetic volumetric counters that determines the brine volume provided.